भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening and welcome to Bharati News. I'm Shweta Arora Malhotra. Let's have a look at the biggest news of the day. Here is the national news first. Rafale M-Jet Scorpion submarines project major announcement on significant defense procurement deal. Earlier, Defense Acquisition Council (DAC) held under the chairmanship of Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh approved 3 proposals on July 13, 2023. The DAC granted acceptance of necessity AON for procurement of 26 Rafale marine aircraft. Navy Chief Admiral D.K. Tripathi said on Monday India is expected to seal separate contracts for the procurement of 26 naval variant Rafale fighter jets and 3 additional Scorpion submarines next month. The Navy Chief gave the update on the Rafale fighter jets deal at a media briefing ahead of Navy Day on December 4, asserting that activities of the navies of China and Pakistan are being closely monitored. The government had accorded approval for building 2 nuclear-powered submarines, and the plan is to have a total of 6 such boats. Admiral Tripathi said. The Navy Chief said the first SSN should be ready by 2036-37 and the second one is 2038-39. Rafale Marine is at an advanced stage of negotiations and it is only one level short of taking it to the Cabinet Committee on Security. Since it is a government-to-government deal, it should not take much time, he added. In July last year, the Defense Ministry approved the purchase of the Rafale M-Jets from France, primarily for deployment on board the indigenously built aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. On November 16, Sukhbir Singh Badal resigned from the post of SAD president, paving the way for the election of the new party chief. After Badal was declared Tankhaiya, he kept himself away from political and social engagements. The Akal Takht Jathedar on Monday held a meeting of the 5 Sikh Sahiban to discuss matters related to former Shiromani Akali Dal chief Sukhbir Singh Badal. After Badal was declared Tankhaiya, he kept himself away from political and social engagements. The Akal Takht Jathedar on Monday held a meeting of the 5 Singh Sahiban to discuss matters related to former Shiromani Akali Dal chief Sukhbir Singh Badal. The religious body pronounced punishment after Badal was declared a Tankhaiya guilty of religious misconduct by Shri Akal Takht Sahib and the Jathedars of the 5 Takht. Shri Akal Takht Sahib ordered Badal and his companions to clean the bathroom for 1 hour and wash utensils at Langar for 1 hour. Core committee members, including Sukhbir Singh Badal and leaders who were cabinet members in the year 2015, will clean the bathrooms from 12 noon to 1 p.m. on 3rd December, after which they will take a bath and serve in the Langar house. Later, Shri Sukhmani Sahib will have to be recited. Badal will sit outside Shri Darbar Sahib. He will have to wear a plaque around his neck, declaring him a Tankhaiya. Here is the international news. Israel strikes in response to Hezbollah attack, kills 11 in Lebanon amid ceasefire on Wednesday. Israel and Hezbollah agreed to US-France brokered 60-day ceasefire agreement under which both the parties were asked to de-escalate tensions along the blue line. Within a week of the announcement of ceasefire, Israel unleashed its largest wave of airstrikes across Lebanon, killing at least 11 people on Monday. Israeli attack came as a response to Hezbollah's volley of projectiles as a warning over what it said were Israeli truce violations. According to Lebanese Health Ministry, one airstrike on the southern village of Haris killed 5 people and wounded 2, while another airstrike on the village of Talusa killed 4 and also wounded 2. The projectiles were clearly the first time that the Lebanese militant group took aim at Israeli forces after the 60-day ceasefire went into effect last Wednesday. Russian President Vladimir Putin likely to visit India in early 2025 after invitation from PM Modi. Russian President Putin's upcoming visit to India, his first since the Ukraine conflict, will take place as part of annual bilateral meetings with the PM Modi, with dates to be set in early 2025, according to a Kremlin aide. Russian President Vladimir Putin has received an official invitation from Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit India with plans to finalize the dates for the visit in early 2025, according to Kremlin aide. During a recent briefing, Ushakov revealed that both leaders have a standing agreement to meet annually, with this year marking Russia's turn to host the bilateral discussions. Our leaders have an agreement to hold meetings once a year, Ushakov noted, emphasizing Russia's positive response to Prime Minister Modi's invitation. He further indicated that the tentative dates for the visit will be decided early in the new year. Here is the sports news. Star all-rounder declares himself fit in major boost for Australia ahead of second test against India. Australia have their star fast bowler Josh Hazlewood ruled out of the second test match against India in Adelaide, but will have a star all-rounder Mitchell Marsh. Australia looking to level the series after a record-breaking defeat in the first test in Perth. Australia received a big injury boost ahead of the second test match against India on Monday. The star all-rounder Mitchell Marsh declared himself fit for the second match of the Border Gavaskar Trophy 2024-25 in Adelaide starting on 6 December. Marsh felt discomfort while bowling in the second innings of the Perth test and seemed doubtful to recover on time for the second game. The manager added uncapped Tasmania all-rounder Beau Webster to their squad as a cover to Marsh, but the latter has now cleared himself for the pink ball test. Saudi Arabia win bid to host FIFA World Cup 2034 record highest bidding ratings. It is the result of our extensive effort to present an exceptional bid and a testament to the collaboration between multiple entities across the kingdom, driven by Vision 2030, which has enabled all sectors to unite behind a bid. Saudi Arabian Football Federation registered a record-breaking bidding rating of 419, 8 out of 500. FIFA is expected to officially confirm Saudi Arabia as host for the World Cup on December 11. I extend my deepest gratitude to the custodian of the two holy mosques and the Crown Prince for their support and empowerment, which played a pivotal role in achieving this outstanding result. RBI directs banks to urgently reduce inoperative accounts, report their numbers quarterly, issue a notification. The RBI asked all banks to take necessary steps urgently to bring down the number of inoperative frozen accounts and make the process of activation of such accounts smoother and hassle-free. The Reserve Bank of India has directed banks to take immediate action to reduce the number of inoperative or frozen accounts and report their status quarterly. Here comes a piece of good news for the passengers. The Indian Railways said it will increase the number of coaches of the Dehradun-Lucknow Vande Bharat Express train for Mahakumbh due to the possibility of a huge crowd of passengers during the festival. The Indian Railways said that during Mahakumbh, 2 new coaches will be added to Vande Bharat Express train number 225546 running on Lucknow-Dehradun route, and the preparations for which have been started. So that concludes our news bulletin for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Bharti News for continuous coverage and more updates. Wishing a very good evening to all of you. Thank you.
भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।